In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Wix website. If you're looking to grab your visitors' attention, highlight important announcements, or drive engagement with a compelling call to action, adding a pop-up is an excellent strategy. The process we'll cover is simple, effective, and can be done without any coding experience. So, whether you're promoting a special offer, growing your email list, or just improving your site's functionality, this walkthrough will give you everything you need to know. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the Elfsight website. Elfsight is a fantastic platform that offers a wide variety of widgets to enhance your website. And today, we'll specifically focus on their pop-up widget. Once you're on their site, log into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. After logging in, locate the section labeled My Apps in your dashboard and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the widgets you create. Next, head over to the Catalog option. Think of this as your library of available widgets. To make finding the pop-up widget easier, type the word pop-up into the search bar. This will filter the results and display only the relevant options. Once you see the pop-up widget, click on it to get started. Now, it's time to choose a template. Elfsight offers a variety of pre-designed templates, so take a moment to browse through them and select one that fits the theme and style of your website. When you found a design you like, click Select from this template. After that, you'll see an option to continue with this template. Go ahead and click on it to open the customization interface. This is where the fun begins. Start by editing the heading text. Make it catchy and attention-grabbing. This is the first thing your visitors will see, so you want it to stand out. Once the heading is in place, adjust the spacing. Proper spacing ensures that all elements are well-aligned and visually appealing. Next, move on to the main text. This is where you'll include the vital information or call to action that your pop-up will communicate to visitors. Be clear and concise here. After that, customize the button. You can edit the text, adjust its color, and change its positioning to make it more visible and engaging. This button is a key part of your pop-up's functionality, so make sure it's easy to spot and aligns with your website's overall design. If you'd like to include additional features, such as images or icons, you can do so by clicking on Add Element. This step is optional, but can help enhance the visual impact of your pop-up. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Publish to finalize your pop-up. If you're using the free version of Elfsight, select the free option when prompted. After that, click on Copy Code to copy the integration code. This code is what you'll use to embed the pop-up into your Wix website. Now, switch over to your Wix website editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus icon, which is used to add new elements to your site. Hover over the option labeled Embed Code and select Embed HTML. This will bring up a space where you can paste the integration code you just copied from Elfsight. Go ahead and paste the code into the provided space. Finally, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a pop-up to your Wix website. With this new feature, you can engage your visitors in a whole new way. Whether you're promoting a sale, encouraging signups, or sharing important updates, your pop-up is ready to grab attention and make an impact. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.